Hi there! If you're growing a snake plant indoors, here's something most people don't realize. Most snake plants don't die because they're difficult to care for. They die because they're treated like normal houseplants. If your snake plant looks fine for months and then suddenly starts drooping or going soft, it's usually not one big mistake. It's small indoor habits that slowly kill it. In this video, I'll show you why snake plants fail indoors and how to stop it. The most common reason snake plants die indoors is overwatering. Not heavy watering, but frequent watering. Snake plants store water in their leaves and roots. If the soil stays damp too long, the roots slowly suffocate. Instead of watering on a schedule, wait until the soil is fully dry. Snake plants are called low-light plants, but that doesn't mean no light. Indoors, low light still means bright indirect light. When a snake plant sits in a dark corner, growth slows, and watering mistakes become more dangerous. If you can read comfortably in that spot during the day, your plant can usually survive there. Many snake plants fail because of the pot. Decorative pots without drainage trap moisture at the bottom. Even careful watering can lead to root problems. A stable pot with drainage holes makes mistakes much harder to make. Indoor environments matter more than people think. Cold drafts and poor airflow slow soil drying. When soil dries slowly, overwatering becomes more likely. Bathrooms and closed bedrooms behave very differently from open living spaces. To keep a snake plant alive indoors, remember this. Let the soil dry completely between watering. Give it some light, not darkness. Always use a pot with drainage. When in doubt, do nothing. Waiting is safer than watering. If you want the full indoor setup checklist, including placement and watering guidance, I've linked the complete snake plant guide below. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to click on the like button and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any future guides. For more indoor gardening information and tips, please visit smallspacesprouts.com. Link in the description. Thanks for watching.